Step into Greenconn's molding workshop, where advanced equipment and automation work seamlessly together. Driven by precision engineering and intelligent innovation, Greenconn continuously refines its manufacturing system, continuously building a highly efficient, high-quality, and intelligent injection molding platform. The workshop has 52 machines from Fanuc, Sodic, and Victor Taichung. Clamping force ranges from 20 to 220 tons. Equipped with over 700 molds to flexibly meet diverse production needs. Machines are equipped with robotic arms, including some 5-axis units, automating complex processes, including insert molding, ensuring precision and stability. Each machine has its own auto-feeding and drying system. Each machine gets a steady material supply for continuous production. An intelligent mold storage enables quick access and efficient scheduling, greatly boosting production flexibility and delivery efficiency. Quality control combines automated visual checks with manual sampling. Through multiple checks, ensuring every product is accurate and reliable. Each molding reflects our commitment to quality, delivering reliable, stable connections.